Well, I figure I'd do another one while I'm out here. Center channel speaker, Jeep Grand Cherokee. Since I haven't seen any videos out there, you just pop up the froster vent, get tabs all the way across. Piece of cake. Got one 2 3/4 inch speaker up there. 2 7mm bolts. Pull this out of the way, get them out. And I found a deal on some kicker, 2 3/4 inch with 100 watts power handling and a very high signal to noise ratio. So $50 at Crutchfield. If you also have a blown center channel, I'm just pulling them out now. Well, there's a lovely piece of Chinese crap that came out of the dash. You can hear it. Voice coil shot, of course. These are the kicker speakers I got. Only need one of them. And the wire and harness adapter, which they threw in for free. Free piece of cake. Got the speaker out. Those 2 bolts were a challenge with very little room with the windshield. So unplug it. We're going to plug that back in and we'll get back to you. Alright, there's the kicker speaker wired up. And they provided multi-fit flanges to make sure it fits. Now it's going to be fun. Get my hands in there to get those bolts back in. Well, the finished product. Those bolts were not fun getting out or back in. But it's done. Took me maybe a half an hour total. No big deal.